You've worked hard your entire life to build your nest egg, but now, with economic uncertainty at an all-time high, the question is, how do you protect that wealth? Inflation is climbing, stock market volatility is rampant, and financial institutions are under scrutiny. But what if I told you there's a strategy that wealth advisors are recommending for affluent retirees to safeguard their future? Meet Sarah and John from Arizona. They spent decades building their retirement, both working hard to achieve financial freedom. Sarah, a retired teacher, and John, a former corporate executive, had $550,000 in their 401k. And with plans to travel and enjoy their golden years, they had a strong desire to protect what they'd worked so hard for. Then, one day, they saw a headline that grabbed their attention. Federal Reserve to raise interest rates again to combat rising inflation. This wasn't just a headline, it was a wake-up call. With inflation continuing to rise, they realized the money they'd worked so hard to save could lose value quickly if they didn't make a change. After some research, they discovered what many wealth advisors have been recommending for years: gold IRAs. This was a way to protect their wealth against the storm of economic uncertainty. So they took a step they'd been thinking about for a while. They rolled over part of their 401k into a gold IRA. They chose to transfer $500,000 into the security of gold, a tangible asset that has stood the test of time. Why is this so crucial for retirees like Sarah and John? Well, in times of inflation and market instability, traditional investments can lose value. Stocks and bonds are vulnerable to economic shocks, but gold historically increases in value during tough financial periods. In fact, during major recessions, gold has outperformed other assets, so it made perfect sense to them. They knew their retirement savings should be more than just a buffer for everyday expenses. It should be something that can weather any storm and preserve its value over time. They didn't want to leave their children a diminished legacy. They wanted to leave behind something solid, something reliable. But here's the best part. They didn't do it alone. They took advantage of a free consultation with experts who walked them through the entire process. No high-pressure sales tactics, no gimmicks, just honest, one-on-one education. The same kind of consultation that's available for you right now. If you have $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, you can take advantage of this same opportunity. There's no obligation, just education first. This could be the solution that keeps your wealth intact for future generations. If you've worked hard to build your retirement, you deserve to protect it. Don't let economic instability, inflation, or market volatility put your hard-earned savings at risk. Take the first step today with a free, no-obligation gold IRA consultation. You've done the hard part. Let's make sure the future is just as secure as the past you've worked so hard for. This is your chance to lock in your legacy with a gold IRA. Click the link below to schedule your free consultation. There's no pressure, just expert advice designed for your future. Don't wait. Take action today.